I'm hungry.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
What are you gonna have?
I'm gonna have pickles.
Okay.
I'm very hungry.
Really? Is that a ladylike way to eat? No. You okay?
That was nanny. That made my tummy ache.
Oh, you okay?
Yeah, that made me tummy ache.
Okay.
Now I have a food. Now go relax now.
Okay. Relax.
I was relaxed.
All right.
Now I feel better. I'm good. Oh, it's over.
Oh, that was a quick song.
It's over.
Oh,
Oh, I wish.
you wish.
Yeah, and I wish had a better song if it's not over.
Why don't you play? Why don't you sing a song?
It's back now.
Oh, good.
Daddy, Mr. Boo was talking.
Oh, Mr. Booba was talking to you?
Yeah, and he said, "I'm snack, please."
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, why you said you want snack again, Mr. Boo? Oh, him and with my balloon.
oh, he's messing with your balloon?
Now I go get Mr. Boo. He went away from me.
Oh, my goodness. Oh, careful.
Oh, Mr. Boo.
I don't know. I don't see him.
Maybe I need my pliers.
You need your pliers. Okay.
Oh, Daddy, I found pliers. Do you see Mr. Boo?
No, I don't. Where is Mr. Booba?
There he is. I found you, Mr. Boo. I love you, Mr. Boo. There he is. I found you. You're not putting mess with my balloon.
Where are you going? Huh?
I'm going to put him in this room.
Oh.
He can't.
Here, leave that open for the kitty.
Why?
Because if the kitty needs to go in there, you have to have it open.
Say, Mr. Boo. Oh, you go Mr. Boo away. Okay.
What are you doing?
I'm asking Mr. Boo.
Oh,
You want to get out?
okay.
You're not going to mess with my balloon. Okay. What? He's going to stay right there. Hang on. Then you get up. You always have to stay up there when you dance. When I'm control a baby.
Oh.